trotting field for tonight's third race. Ready for a start. They're off and trotting. Good beginning for Too Good to Pass, who fires down the center. Rose Run Leroy up alongside. Far outside, Debrina fires quickly. Hit the mark is fourth. Guard Dog floating up fifth off the gate. Mannerheim is sixth. Dropped in seventh, Photogenic Filly. Then racing along from an eighth is Via National. Whiplash has Gunga Win beaten to the first turn. They're on their way to the quarter. We've got a runner, Rose Run Leroy. Favorite made a break. Rose Run Leroy sitting third and then jumped it off. Here's the quarter pole. 27 and 2 speed thrown down. And it's Debrina who leads the field by 2.5 lengths. Pocket sitting second is Too Good to Pass. Then a huge gap. It's at least 8 lengths of separation back to find Hit the Mark from in third. Racing off in fourth, gap by another 2.5 lengths is Guard Dog. And then towards the inside from in fifth as the field continues its march across the backstretch is Mannerheim. With that lead is Debrina, and Debrina rolling right along here. Oliver asked this one for speed, and she was tough to rate here. 56 and 1 in that second quarter. She went 28 and 4. So Debrina extremely hard use going to that far turn. Bayarjan sitting chilly in the pocket spot with Too Good to Pass as he licks his lips in that pocket spot, gets the whip over his back. A friendly reminder to go on around this turn. They move into that far turn chasing Debrina, and it's Debrina just over a length in front. Too Good to Pass ready to strike in that pocket spot from in second, tipped out from in third. Here comes Mannerheim on the march now, backing away. Fourth at the inside is Hit the Mark. Moving up into fifth comes Guard Dog, 3/4 of 125 and 3, and Debrina spins into the stretch and leads it by just over a length. Too Good to Pass has been brave in the pocket spot and is now launched to the outside, and here comes Mannerheim bearing down on the pair of them as they come into the final eighth of the mile. Debrina on the inside, strides really start to shorten on her. Too Good to Pass off that perfect pocket trip now, glides to the front, gonna have to hold off Mannerheim though. Mannerheim's got a late surge. Too Good to Pass, Too Good to Pass, half length in front. Mannerheim second, Debrina third, 156 and 3. We had a claim in that third race, taken for $12,000. Number 7, Guard Dog, taken by owner Keith Castle, the new trainer Richard Moreau. Keith Castle, new owner, new trainer Richard Moreau of number 7, Guard Dog, claim from that third race for $12,000.